Alright guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you guys how to get your 2015 MKC into brake service mode. And this is going to be to replace the rear disc and pads. So the first thing you're going to want to do, you're going to want to come down here onto the side. This is your light switch. This is your parking brake, electronic parking brake lever. So what you're going to do, you're going to want to push this guy. Now when you push this guy, you're going to want to come all the way over here and you're going to hold the brake pedal. Now when you hold the brake pedal, you're going to want to come up here. You're going to want to hit the start button once, and it's going to turn into this. The dash is going to all light up, and then you're going to want to cycle through your ignition cycle once. So you're going to want to go off, and then back on. And then you should see your brake light start to flash, like that. And then it should say brake maintenance mode activated. Now, when all that's done, you can go in the back. You can remove your calipers, and when you remove your calipers, you're going to want to push them instead of turn them. Even though there are slots for turning, these ones get pushed in and not turned. So keep that in mind, because if not, you're going to damage the caliper. So after all that's done, come over. We're going to turn this guy off. We're going to turn off the ignition. And as you can see, it still says parking brake maintenance mode. Now, in order to get it out of parking brake maintenance mode, what you're going to want to do, instead of pushing onto the button, you're going to want to pull. You're going to want to come over and you're going to want to hit the gas pedal again. And you got to hold it at least 5 seconds. So, ignition back on. Light everything up. Wait 5 seconds. And then we're going to come and we're going to cycle through our ignition one more time. Always keeping our finger and gas pedal depressed. And then we're going to put it back. And I think I waited too long for that. Yeah. I waited too long. That was my fault. So, we're going to come over. We're going to pull. We're going to hit our brake pedal. We're going to wait 5 seconds, and then we're going to cycle, and there you go. Now when it's out of brake maintenance mode, you will see the brake light stop flashing, and over on the side, right now my brakes are applied. And as you can see, it says, it doesn't say that it's in brake maintenance mode anymore. And press brake and switch to release. And there you go. That's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video, and if you did, please like, subscribe, and comment for more. Thank you.